Hi everyone. Today I am going to introduce air purifier for you. Product name is Bosch 4000 air purifier. This product useful for me, especially at the sleeping, very quiet working, and also cleaning the air very well. And I will show you and explain how can you use it, how can you extend the filter in it, unboxing, and see what's going on. We have to make it very carefully because later we need to this box again in case of transporting and also warranty issues. So at least we have to keep the box 2 years warranty minimum. So when open it, we see first Bosch Air 4000 manual. We need to read it very carefully after the setup. There's a cover package as well. Take it. So you need to take very carefully without dropping up. As you see, there's a nylon coverage. We need to move this nylon coverage. After removing the nylon coverage, there's a warning written before using. Remove the plastic from the filter. It says. Okay, don't forget it. We remove the nylon. As you can see, there's a HEPA filter in it, and also it still has a nylon. We remove the nylon from the filter as well. There's a small paper written product overview. As you can see, LED light, good, okay, poor, and bad. These are the color, the air quality it says, and the filter maintenance shown as well. And the resetting the filter, how can you make it? You can see here as well. Back side you can see the controls, displays. Mostly people just use this filter directly in it, but before the putting in it, I will show you how you can extend the filter durability. Let's see. Before assembly the filter in air purifier, I choose a electrostatic cotton pre-filter in order to make it the filter usage long term. There is a 10 pieces cotton electrostatic pre-filter, and you can make it like that. Wrap it and here all side with very has to be very tight and cover it. Then you can make it attached. Since the HEPA filters are expensive, that's why using a electrostatic pre-filter like that is very useful in order to extend the HEPA filter in long-term durability. As you can see, wrapped very well and very tight. Since, as you see, the filter is ready, we can assemble it to air purifier. There's a two side, but doesn't matter. The sizes are the same. There's no any differences with them. So you can just simply put in it very carefully. And final close it very tightly. Now it's ready. There is a cable. These are the parts of it. As far as I know, 1.6 meter the length of the cable. It's very enough to put and place your air purifier anywhere. So there is a two type electricity mechanism. One of them is American style and the other than European style. We are in European, that's why we gonna use this one. You can simply attach here like that, and then turn the right, it will fix. Then you can plug in. Now it's time to start Bosch air purifier. The power button here. Let's check it out. As you can see, there is a light colors changing, calculating now the quality or good or bad the air situation, and it will decide. Calculating the working. This is the auto mode, night mode, sleeping mode, sleeping manual mode, and this shows the filter status. As you can see, 100%. It says filter is very new. This is the power button, as I said before, and this is the for the timer. You can use it manually. There is no cell phone program or any other command. Just manually, everything is here. If you push, it will lock for the children. Child lock is here, as you see. Then press the power button more, then the lock is off. Okay? If you don't want the children play this air purifier, then you need to lock here like that. Okay? Now it's locked. Air quality. Blue is good. Purple is okay. Yellow is poor. And the red is bad. According to the quality of the air, it will work hard or slow. As you can see, although the device is auto mode, but still very quiet. As you can see, the air very nice. Quality of understand whether it is working or not. Very nice. Sleeping mode, but all lights gone and very silent. You see, there is no voice. Sleep very nice. I think Bosch made it very well, working very silently and clean the weather, making air quality very nice. I recommend this product. I am very happy with that product. I advise and recommend if you need a air purifier like that. Making air very useful for you. Thanks for watching me. If you like the video, please share and also push the like button. If you're interested in motorcycles, join my channel. If you're interested, have a great day. See you soon. Bye.